Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make earth blocks. First, gather your materials: soil, water, and a stabilizer like cement or lime. You'll need a block press, which can be manual or hydraulic, to compact the mixture. This method creates durable, eco-friendly building units. Understanding the right soil mix is key to success, ensuring your blocks have the necessary strength and longevity for construction. Choosing the right soil is paramount for strong earth blocks. Aim for a soil composition with a good balance of sand, silt, and clay, ideally with 10% to 30% clay. Sieve your soil to remove any large debris or organic materials. Then, thoroughly mix in your chosen stabilizer, typically 5% to 10% cement or lime, ensuring an even distribution for consistent block quality. Once your soil mixture is ready, it's time to form the blocks. Add just enough water to achieve a damp earth consistency. It should hold its shape when squeezed but not be muddy. Load this mixture into your block press and apply significant pressure to compact it. After pressing, carefully remove the blocks and cure them for at least 7 days, ideally up to 28, in a shaded, protected area. Earth blocks offer numerous advantages, including significant cost savings, often reducing expenses by up to 30%. They also provide excellent thermal performance, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. For long-term durability, ensure your earth block walls have good foundations and roof overhangs to protect them from excessive moisture. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.